Your son. He sends his love to you. He asked me to tell you he had become a very famous man. A rich man. The whole world knows him.
Min hezge oğlunuzdan selam alıp geldim. Ул хәзер бөтә дөньяга билдәле кеше. Һез уның менән горурлана аласыз.
Үз илеңдә генә калган була. Мин тагы бәхетлерәк булыр идем.
I would be happy if he could have stayed here in the USSR.
Раздольная станцияда дөньяга килде.
He was born at the railway station called Razdolny, in the train on the way to the Far East.
Зинһар, быны